Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to keep your crypto wallet safe. First, it's crucial to understand the fundamental differences between hot and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, offering convenience but also higher risk. Cold wallets, like hardware devices, store your assets offline, providing superior security. Always enable two-factor authentication on all your crypto accounts and use strong, unique passwords for every platform. Next, protecting your digital assets requires constant vigilance. Always be wary of phishing attempts and suspicious links, especially those asking for your wallet details. Remember, legitimate services will never ask for your private keys or seed phrases. Keep these absolutely confidential. Furthermore, regularly updating your software and operating system is vital, as these updates often include critical security patches. For advanced protection, consider investing in a hardware wallet. These devices keep your private keys offline, making them highly resistant to online hacks. It's also essential to back up your seed phrase securely, perhaps in 2 or 3 different physical locations, ensuring you can always recover your funds. Finally, diversifying your crypto holdings across different wallets can mitigate risk if one wallet is compromised. To wrap up, always double-check all transaction details before confirming any transfers. A small mistake can be irreversible. Stay informed about the latest crypto security threats and best practices by continuously educating yourself. Your vigilance is your best defense in the evolving digital landscape. And hey, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.